Hello traders, welcome to this video on pure price action structures indicator for MT4 and MT5. In this video, we'll look at how this indicator maps market structure directly on the price chart by marking BOS and MSS levels and what that means for identifying trends and reversals. At this point, I'll load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. Remember to allow DLL imports. And there we have it. As you can see on the charts, the pure price action structures indicator plots structure labels directly on price, automatically marking key swing highs and swing lows and annotating them with tags such as BOS, break of structure, and MSS, market structure shifts, as you can see here and here. These labels appear near the candles where structure has broken or shifted, often accompanied by lines that visually connect the relevant swings so you can see the progression of higher highs, higher lows, lower highs, and lower lows. The indicator also distinguishes between long-term and short-term structure by using LT and ST tags, as you can see over here. So traders can see the broader trend while still tracking smaller shifts inside it. This combination of BOS, MSS, LT, and ST markings creates a clear map of trend direction, potential reversal points, and structural zones that may act as future support or resistance. As for the indicator settings, let's take a look at what we have. Alright, structure sensitivity controls how significant a swing must be for the indicator to classify it as a structural high or low, effectively filtering out minor noise versus major turning points. Long-term and short-term filters determine how the LT and ST labels are applied, allowing you to emphasize either broader market structure or more granular intraday changes. Display options let you manage how labels, lines, and structural zones appear on the chart, so you can keep the visuals clean whilst you see BOS and MSS at a glance. Time frame choice acts as an additional setting. In practice, since the same indicator will show slower, more stable structures on higher time frames and more frequent shifts on lower ones. So who's this indicator for? The pure price action structures indicator MT4 and MT5 is aimed at traders who want to base their decision on pure market structure, higher highs, lower lows, breaks, and shifts, rather than lagging indicators, including those who follow ICT and smart money concepts. It is a visual and analytical tool only. It does not execute trades, and while it helps filter noise, structural breaks can still fail or lead into complex consolidations. So traders should combine the signals with confluence such as liquidity, session timing, and sound risk management. The download link is in the description below. For the full written review, examples, and step-by-step usage, make sure you visit the Forex Geek. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss future price action and market structure indicator videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.